Do you want to be seen in the media? I get it. Being seen in the media is a great boost for your business, and it puts you in front of your audience in the publications that they know, like, and trust. Hi, my name is Linda Reed-Enever. I'm an ideas and marketing strategist. I'm the author of the book of PR tips that you see here behind me and these lovely marketing decks. And I want to help you be seen in the media. So that is why we are running the 3-day Working with the Media immersion this April in Melbourne. We're going to dive into the ins and outs of how you work with the media. What does a journalist look for in a story? How do they like to be contacted? What story ideas you have in your business? How to put that story in a way that a journalist is likely to contact you and run your story? How to follow up after you've pitched your story? How to create things like press releases and available for interview profiles, and then diving into what to do when you secure media coverage, you get that interview, and then how to make the most out of it. If you have been looking to understand how the media works and how you can work with the media, then this immersion is for you. We are spending 3 days together in the Melbourne CBD at the Victoria Hotel, and we're going to dive into the ins and outs of working with the media. I would like to invite you to join us and see you there. Space is limited in this workshop because I love bouncing ideas around, and I want to make sure that I'm able to do that for each and every one of you in the room. So if you've been looking at working with the media, come on and join me. Let me share my 20 plus years of working with the media with you so that you can be seen in the media too.